In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register a Changelly account, and we'll do it all in about 5 minutes. Whether you're planning to start trading cryptocurrencies or just exploring what Changelly has to offer, setting up your account is the first step to unlock a world of possibilities. So let's get started. First, you need to navigate to changelly.com. You can do this either through any web browser or by opening the Changelly app on your smartphone. Both the website and the app have a user-friendly design, so you should easily find your way around. Now, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll notice a small avatar icon that looks like a human figure. Go ahead and click on that avatar icon. This is the typical location on websites and apps where you can manage your account settings or sign in, so it's great to become familiar with these layouts. Once you've clicked on the avatar icon, you'll find an option to create an account. Click on Create an Account and you'll be directed to a new page where you can start your registration. Signing up is quite straightforward, and you can choose between using your email address or linking your Google account for convenience. If you decide to use your email, simply enter it in the designated field. Linking a Google account can streamline the process, reducing the need to remember another password down the line. After you input your email, you'll need to enter your chosen credentials. Make sure you choose a strong, unique password to help secure your account. A mix of uppercase, lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols is recommended for added security. If at any step you're unsure, most sites, including Changelly, offer guidelines or pointers to help you create a strong password. Once you've entered your credentials, you might be prompted to verify your account. This is typically done by checking your email inbox for a confirmation message from Changelly. Be sure to check your spam or junk folders if you don't see the email right away. Find the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This step confirms your email address and is an essential part of setting up a secure account. Now, you're almost there. Return to the main page and log in using the credentials you just set up. Congratulations, your account is ready. You can now explore the features of Changelly, including its cryptocurrency exchange services. Remember, setting up your account is just the beginning. Be sure to adjust your account settings to fit your security preferences and trading needs. Thank you for following along, and stay tuned for more guides on maximizing your Changelly experience.